What do you do when your favorite leader is taken away? How do you protect your home? Today, we hear a story about a brave group of people. They love their land and their leader very much. They have a very important message for the world. Will their leader come back? Let's find out. In a beautiful land of high mountains and bright sun, there lived a man named Carlos. Carlos was the leader of his people. He lived in a big house in the city. The people liked Carlos because he promised to protect their home. In this land, there were many soldiers. These soldiers were not just workers, they were like a big family. They wore green uniforms and stood very tall. One day, something sad happened. Carlos was taken away. He was put in a place far away, and he could not go home. The soldiers felt very sad. A young soldier named Juan sat by the fire at night. He looked at the stars. Where is Carlos? Juan thought, our land feels empty without him. He remembered Carlos's voice. Carlos always said, this land belongs to you. It is your home. The next morning, all the soldiers stood together in a big square. Their faces were very serious. They did not want people from other countries to tell them what to do. They called this colonialism. It means when a stranger tries to take your home. We want Carlos back, the head soldier shouted. He belongs here with us. One shouted too. One felt a little scared, but he also felt very brave. He looked at his friends. They all held hands. They were a team. They sent a message to the world. The message said, please, release Carlos. Let him be free. This is our land, and we are strong together. The soldiers waited and waited. They stayed at their posts. They protected the schools and the parks. One sunny afternoon, a big car drove into the square. The door opened. A man stepped out. It was Carlos. He looked tired, but he had a big smile on his face. Carlos is home, the children yelled. Juan ran to Carlos. Carlos put a hand on Juan's shoulder. Thank you for being brave, Carlos said softly. Juan felt so happy. His heart felt very warm. The soldiers, the children, and the leader all stood together. They knew that as long as they loved their home, they would be okay. The sun went down, and the land was peaceful again. It was a very happy day for everyone. That was a very powerful story about loyalty. Now, let's learn some important words from our story. Soldier, a person who protects a country. Example 1, my uncle is a brave soldier. Example 2, the soldiers wear green uniforms. Release, to let someone or something go free. Example 1, please release the bird from the cage. Example 2, the police will release the man today. Protect, to keep someone or something safe. Example 1, a mother cat protects her kittens. Example 2, you must wear a helmet to protect your head. Brave, not afraid of things. Example 1, the brave girl saved the cat from the tree. Example 2, you are very brave to speak in front of the class. Together, with other people, not alone. Example 1, we can finish the work faster if we work together. Example 2, the family likes to sing songs together. Now, let's test your listening skills. I will ask a question. You have 3 seconds to think. Then I will tell you the answer. Question 1. What is the name of the leader in the story? Answer. His name is Carlos. Question 2. How did the soldiers feel when Carlos was gone? Answer. They felt very sad and lonely. Question 3. Why is it important for people to stand together when they are sad or scared? Answer. Because being together makes people feel stronger and helps them solve problems. Today we learned that being brave and staying together is very important. Home is a special place for everyone. Did you like the story of Carlos and the brave soldiers? Tell us your favorite part in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories. See you next time.